Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. This is issue 209, just landed at our loading dock, and it is wonderful as always. Now, as you know, not only do we get the magazine, we get extra goodies inside, and let me show you. You will get an embossing folder with a really nice Christmas tree right there. Also, there are 7 dies to decorate the tree and under the tree. Plus, there are 18 stamps, so it's a wonderful collection. In addition, there are 8 double-sided papers. Let me just quickly show you. And Christmas wishes, you've got snowflakes and lots of colors. You've got 2 kind of settings, so that would be fun to play with. We've got some houses kind of within the trees and some burgundy and more. And then another 2 settings, so you can cut those in half or use them for cards or scrapbook pages, whatever you like. So all of this is part of the collection. Now let me show you ways that you can use them and what else they have in this particular issue. And okay, so this is starting with Oh Christmas Tree. So that's really something, so you can see some ideas of using the stamps and the dies and the papers right there. And of course, as always, full instructions, sometimes step-by-step photographs, which is always really nice. I thought this was fun, letting the paper be a really nice background and having those trees in the front, decorating them with the die that has the Christmas lights on it. This is a lantern tree using vellum inside. And again, there's the cutting die with the packages going underneath that tree. So just lots of ideas, some very fun, different cards too, as you can see. This one is a spanning card, so that works out nicely. So just lots of goodies. I show you this because we do carry Heartfelt Creations, especially their flowers, their die stamps, and their molding tool. Just it's nice to see it here and nice to see it at your fingertips here at Paper Wishes. Let me get to another tab. Okay, a diamond fold card. I thought this was really kind of a spectacular card. Nice to see the step-by-step photos and instructions. So I thought that was something nice to share with you. And then this is Autumn Leaves, really pretty. This is a magazine that we have. It's Creative Stamping was an earlier version, and so we have that in stock right now. I double-checked right before I'm taping this. Some ideas to make it personal. Now, you can use handwriting, and that's what they're really showing you here, just some good ideas and some things that you might not have thought of that you could also personalize. Now, these are gift ideas, and I think this is, again, another something that's good to think about anytime. You can, well, in fact, here's kind of the collage of things, and then we go step by step into each one, just to show you those ideas. Of course, making a snow globe or a pretend snow globe, either way is fun. And then also just wrapping up some chocolate. Chocolate's great for anybody, I think. And here we go, some boxes, and again, step-by-step photos. Really, really nice to have. Okay. Here is an article about doing mixed media. Now, you know Sarah Newman does mixed media with us 2 Saturdays every month, and I just thought it was fun to call this out and see kind of this very vintage look that they have executed. And there are some more photos, really, really nice. Not the heavy brown and black imagery that we're used to seeing, and that's what our mixed media, the Paper Wishes way, is all about. This is called Winter Warmers, and they're just beautiful flowers. And I thought we do all have flower dies and stamps. And I thought this kind of frosted look was such a pretty look. And I just wanted to call that to your attention. You can use that to inspire some special things that you can make. Here we are going into some scenes. Again, we're using that stamp set, creating a stencil out of the stamps. And so that could be useful. And here we have some very different looks. I think it's really fun to see this frosty look. They call it an inky embossed design, and that is using that big embossing folder. We've got some more ideas going on. And This is also, I just wanted to point out that we have all of these. In fact, Lene and Debbie did a webisode using those, and I'm saving one for a special person. So here we go, and I thought this was just a beautiful look of doing this raised die cut out of the background from which it was cut. So really nice. Lots of ideas, lots of fun things, and a nice collection of stamps, an embossing folder, cutting die, and papers. It's all together in Simply Cards and Papercraft issue 209, exclusively here at paperwishes.com.